We have a brand new bundle today. We are doing Christmas in July with a very cute bundle. In your bundle, you're getting a beautiful paper pad, a coordinating ephemera pack, and matching enamel dots. I'm packing it in a plastic baggie so you can store it away easily. It's labeled with a cute sticker that says Christmas Tea Bundle by Not Too Shabby. So you could store that away. Use it now or save it for Christmas, however you like doing your Christmas cards. I thought we'd get a jump on making some Christmas cards. So I created these 3 cards. I made these 3 Christmas cards and you can see how stunning these images are. We've got beautiful tea kettles. And look at that gorgeous paper. These 3 cards, I did use the Easy Wonder Die number 2 and the add-on. These dies are on pre-order right now. So if you want to get your pre-order in for those dies, but you don't want to wait for your bundle, please put a separate order. Otherwise, your whole order will be on hold until the dies arrive. These Easy Wonder dies are going to be shipping in August. Here's another one I did with a smaller piece of ephemera. I did this really cool pop-up thanks for my sentiment on this one. And this one I did use this cute little stamp set that you could find in the shop called From Our Kitchen. I used the You Fill Me With Happiness sentiment. I thought it was perfect for all the teacups and the tea kettle. Very punny and cute. Let's take a closer look at your bundle. I also brought this out because I want to make a card using this bundle with the Cozy Mug die. I thought this would be really, really cute. And we have the Cozy Mug Bunny add-on die that has the tea pouch. I thought that would be so cute with this collection. So if you have this in your stash, break it out with this collection. I think it's going to make some really cute tags or cards. And I will also link this in the description box. Okay, so let's dive deeper into the collection. I used some enamel dots on my card. They do have sparkle in them, so they're really pretty. You are able to purchase the ephemera, the enamel dots, and limited supply on the paper pads individually. I do have bundles created where you could save 5% by picking up the bundle. So I'm going to lay all of these pieces out for you so you can get a look at what's in your bundle. For the tea kettles, there's a little piece that you'll pop out. I think these vintage girls are so cute. And then we have teacups with little puppies. That is so adorable. This one's really cute with the gingerbread. Here's another adorable puppy. Another adorable vintage girl. Okay, so there's everything laid out for you. And for our paper pad, it's called Rustic Christmas. I think it's so pretty with all of this rustic design. The beautiful jewel toned colors in here are just stunning. So you get 4 of each design. I did use some of the sheets on my project, so there's some missing here. Really, really pretty. Get your faux glitter. Just gorgeous. I love that one. It looks like snow is falling on top of the plaid. And then this one makes great backdrop for your images. Beautiful greens in here. That one goes over there. I love this one with the pine cones. so pretty. So I used one of each sheet on my cards. So pretty. I love it. So I hope you guys love it too. I'm going to pop some images in from the design team. And here's some images from Becky Harrison, who is our guest designer for this release. We also have Kendra from Kendra's Cards. She is also playing with this release. So be sure to check out their YouTube channels. I'll have them linked in the description box for you. Aren't they gorgeous? I love it. She made not only cards, but little gifts and tags. So, so cute. Here's some more cards from the design team. Love what Lynn did. So, so pretty. This is just a sneak peek, guys. We will have a playlist. So the link for the playlist is in the description box. You can just press play and you can play all the videos that are related to the Christmas tea release. So thank you again for stopping by and shopping with Not Too Shabby. We are so grateful for your business. I will be back on the YouTube channel with more projects using the Christmas tea collection. Thanks guys, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.